Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the bash scripting. Today we are going to learn about script to change current directory. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So change directory to the path. So whatever path you want to change, this is done with the help of the CD. Okay, so let's copy this and go to our code. Okay, so here, first we are switching the path of the directory. Suppose I'm going to with the directory var www.html. Okay, check the current directory. This will print the current directory. Okay, save this. Let's try to run. So which directory you are in? This directory. Okay, so if you have the functionality like suppose so you have just mentioned you have a folder, right? So you want to move that this folder to that folder, and I want to move the files from that current path to another path, right? So in that case you have to switch the directories, right? So in that note, this will help you. So you can switch the directory and do your logic over here, do your processes over here, and switch back to the another directory also if you have any other related work on that. Okay, so in that note it will work. So switching the directories like this with the help of the CD, and if you want to check the current directory with the help of the pwd, right, this will print the current directory on which you are. Right, so any doubt, any query in that, to let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.